Hey guys, so there's a lot of birds calling at my grandma's house right now, so I figured we'd use the Merlin Bird ID app and see what all it captures. So let me put it down. I'm just gonna lay the phone right there. And now, here we go. Oh, we have a cardinal already. Goldfinch, song sparrow. What else came up? Carolina wren. Titmouse. Oh wow, it's capturing a lot. And yes, the neighbors next door has chickens. So I wonder if it can capture what kind of chickens those are. This may only work on birds that are native here though. It may not work on roosters and whatnot. And yes, that is the wind blowing in the background. That's my grandma's chimes of earth. Oh, a blue jay. Oh, a robin finally come up. Yeah, you probably just heard that rooster call and it didn't pick it up, so it may only work on native birds. What in the world? I just heard a toad call. It's only 10:53 in the morning. Why are they calling already? They're supposed to be at night. Oh wow, it did pick up the rooster. You see that? Red jungle fowl. Huh. I wonder why it took it that long to hear it. European starling. I hear a dove far away, but I don't think the phone's picking it up because it's too far. Let's go around to the back side of her house and see what it picks up now. That rooster, it captured it again. I just heard the toad again. Did you hear it? I held the phone closer to it. I don't know if you heard it or not. That's weird. It's daytime. All right, we're here. We're in the backyard now. Let's see what kind of birds it can find back here. Probably a lot of the same ones. Is that a black? That's one of those, what are those blackbirds called? I heard that. It was like blop. I can't do it. Crow bird, I think is what it's called, yeah. Not a regular crow, but a small one. I think they're called like crow birds or something. Did I just hear? Oh, wow. I thought I just heard the neighbor say something over there. Like, shut up to the rooster. It could have just been me, though. Well, I think I'm gonna just end the video here. Bye.